Well, good morning, everybody. It's Otter Creek Redneck. Been turkey hunting the last couple of days here in Otter Creek. It's been snowing, raining, windy, cold. So yeah, I'm wearing winter clothes right now. But I wanted to show you a decoy setup that I've used out in open field situations. So like today, I'm out here in our hayfield. I'm on the edge of it. And you can see I got the big field behind me here. And I've been expecting the turkeys to either come over here from the north, out of the pines, or out of here to the south, down the valley or across the road. So how many times has this happened to you guys? You're out here on the edge of a field, you've got a decoy set up out, 20, 30 yards out from your blind, or from the tree you're leaning against, and the toms come into the field, and they get about 30, 40 yards from the decoy. Now they're 50, 60 yards away from you. And they start strutting, they start dancing back and forth, and they're not coming any closer. They're hung up. Because they expect that hen to come to them. So how do you make up that last 20, 30 yards to bring them in? Here, so like this is how some people set up their decoys. Here. There. That decoy is out there about 20 yards. And what these toms will do is they'll hang up 30 yards past that. And even if you got a 3.5 inch shell and a 12 gauge, that's going to be a hard shot. So here, this is what I've done. I put the decoy about 20 yards off to the side of the blind, right on the edge of the field. And I've even faced it like the hen is leaving. Don't worry, Tom comes out in this field, still going to be able to see it. And now what he'll do, he's going to come out into this field, and he's going to come out and start his strutting and start his dancing back out about here, expecting that hen to come to him. And now, if you're good, close enough to take him home with you. So try that. Set your decoy up on the edge of the field straight out from the end of the blind.